In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse data entry on Glassdoor, Job Listings 2026. Open your web browser and head to glassdoor.com. You can use either desktop or mobile, but a larger screen makes it easier to scan listings and compare details. If you already have an account, it's a good idea to sign in so you can save jobs and keep your preferences. If you're just here to look around, that's fine too. Go straight to the Jobs section and you'll still be able to browse everything. On the homepage, find the Jobs tab in the top navigation and click it. This brings you to Glassdoor's job search page, where the main search box and location field are front and center. Think of this as your command center for narrowing down the roles that fit you best. In the search box, type data entry. Keep it simple to start. You can always refine later. If you want broader coverage, terms like data entry clerk or data entry specialist often pull in similar listings, but beginning with data entry will surface the core roles quickly. Hit enter to load the results. Next, set where you want to work. In the location field, choose a specific country, city, or region. If you're open to working from anywhere, switch the location to remote. That'll filter your results so you only see roles that explicitly support remote work. This is especially helpful if you're balancing other commitments or looking for flexible arrangements. Your results page now lists data entry jobs that match your search and location. Scan the job cards for the basics: the title, company name, location or remote label, and any salary estimates or company ratings that appear. You can often sort by relevance or date posted to prioritize the newest listings. If you see a sponsored label, that just means the employer is promoting the post. Still review it like any other role. When something looks promising, open the listing to see the full description. Read the responsibilities closely to confirm it's truly data entry and not a broader administrative role, unless that's what you want. Check the required skills, schedule expectations, and any software tools mentioned. Look for notes on contract type, full-time versus part-time, and whether the posting includes pay details or benefits. It's also a good habit to glance at the posted date so you know how fresh the opportunity is. That's it. Go to Glassdoor, sign in if you want to save jobs, click jobs, search for data entry, pick your country or remote, and browse the listings to find the top roles you prefer. Take your time, compare a few openings, and shortlist the ones that match your goals.